Okay, the next few slides are going to be the explain portion of our unit. So you've engaged with the material, you started exploring what photosynthesis is, and now comes all of the explanation, all of the details. This is going to be a huge mind dump. You're going to gather a lot of information. There's going to be a lot of technical terms and technical readings and discussions that are coming up, okay? So you may have to watch videos over again. You may have to reread text material over again, okay? Now, the way that we're going to do this is we're going to do it in two parts. The first part is just a quick TED Ed talk, a TED Ed video, introducing the simple story of photosynthesis. And I like this video because what it does is it connects it with the food that we're eating. Just like in an environment, in an ecosystem, heterotrophs are consuming food for their energy. They have to consume other things. This connects that idea of consuming products with what photosynthesis is. And it also talks about the molecule glucose. Now, this is going to be in a puzzle. It's in a separate 5 points from these slides here. Okay, so just to let you know that this is just a separate 5 points. Then once you're done, you're going to go to the next slide. And there are 4 different options. This is where the bulk of your information is going to be coming to you, directly to you. Okay. Think of it as options for lectures. Now, option 1, if you like videos, we have Ed Puzzles. We have the Amoeba Sisters on photosynthesis, and there's a Bozeman one. In Ed Puzzle, they will be labeled as option 1 only Amoeba Sisters, option 1 only Bozeman. You have to do both if you choose option 1. You're going to upload screenshots on this next slide here of your scores. If you don't know how to insert a screenshot or an image, there is a little video for you. Now, if you like playing video games, you might want to check out Bioman Bio, Photosynthesis Interactive Game. When you go to it, there is a worksheet you will have to click. It will open in Cami. You're going to have to complete that, and you're going to upload images. But as for the game itself, there are going to be a few different sections to it. The worksheet is going to have you go through. I have a lot of tabs open. Let's see if it loads up fast. It's going to have you go through from the beginning, learning about the structure of a plant, and then learn about the different parts of photosynthesis. And then you're going to take a quiz. Now, I've been having issues with, I think I opened something that is putting something on my computer, or I have too many things going on that it's not loading. I've played this multiple times. It should load for you. If something happens and it's not loading for you, just email me, okay? But that's option 2. Option 3, there's going to be a YouTube video. Okay, it's not blue here. It will be blue because it will be linked. There's going to be a YouTube video where I am going to go through slides with you. We're going to watch part of a video, and it would be like watching a lecture from me. If you like to read and prefer reading, option 4 is textbook reading. Now, you're going to take notes, but here's the deal. There's also these practices that I want you to complete. So there's 4 sections of reading. You'll do 4 practices and upload the screenshots of the adaptive practices. Now, the practices are located in the top right corner and look like this. So, for instance, the first section here, you'll notice that it's the reading, glucose and ATP. Okay, it's good. Oh, look, chemistry. Okay, it's going to go through what glucose and ATP are because both are involved in photosynthesis, and our next set of slides, respiration. But then here's the practice. You'll go in. Mine says assign practice. Yours might say just completed or preview. I'm not sure. But you want to get 10 correct, and you keep going until you get 10 correct. They'll be easier or harder depending on how you do. So just let you know. Just to let you know. Use a hint on the scratch pad to help you solve the problems. So then you start practicing. Okay, which cells does glucose reach in the human body? Okay, so you pick one of these answers based on what you've learned, and then check it. Okay, so that's if you choose the reading. So those are your 4 options. You do not need to do all 4 options. It covers the same big ideas. all go into a detailed level of explanation. And so it's whatever form you would prefer to take it in. Whatever you do, though, you have to either insert your screenshots or image of your notes in your notebook on this slide right here. And I think I'm stopping. There